Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this particular video, I'm just going to give you an amazing vlog tour of the entire iNeuron office. We started with a very small office, then we moved to a 3000 square feet office. And this is the new office, and this is probably somewhere around 15,000 square feet. Many people were asking about the new vlog tour of the office, so I thought of making this specific video. First, to start with, this is my chamber. So here you can see where I will probably do all the recordings plus development, anything that I want. So I have this one big light which is just like a white light that will be falling on my face. I have an amazing system which I actually made from my entire configuration, my favorite configuration you can say. So here you have GeForce RTX 3090, so which is pretty much amazing. You have around 128 GB RAM and a lot more configuration. So this is just like a supercomputer. You can see over here I've just used this 4K camera, which is an amazing camera for the webcam. It's just like a webcam but with uttermost quality. So, and in my office also I just have a small sofa over here, so that whenever I feel tired, I probably will be laying down over here. And now, because of the launch of OneNeuron, we are working really hard. We are working from morning 9 till night 12, probably going home after 12. Let's see, after 3 months, the work will be a little bit less. Now, let's go and show you the entire office. And probably there you'll be able to see how huge this office is. And the reason why we have taken this huge office is for the benefit of you who have actually taken OneNeuron. They can actually work with us, they can participate in the innovation lab, and they can do multiple things. I'll talk about the innovation lab and incubation center very soon, but before that, let's go ahead and have a tour of the office. So guys, first and the foremost, most important thing is that there is strict dress code in iNeuron. You really have to wear formals. Sorry, I'm just kidding. You can see my dress. I'm in slippers, so no need to wear any kind of strict formals and come. You can wear any casual dress and come to iNeuron. Now, this is the entire office that you can see over here. This is the entire 15,000 square feet. I'm probably, my cameraman will take through the entire shots and show you each and everything. So right now, most of the people are working from home. Many people are here also, and after some time, we are also going to do a lot of hiring. Okay, so this is the entire thing. The most important thing is that we are a content making company apart from the product development that we do. So here we have also kept separate recording rooms. Say they are around 7 to 8 recording rooms. I'll just show you how one recording room looks like so that you get a feel of it. So here is one of the recording room. You can see the mentor who is doing the specific recording, and we have made this entire setup like this. The black background that you are able to see, it is basically to observe the sound so that you get a very clear and crisp recording. And this is entirely for OneNeuron itself. So coming to the other recording rooms, all the recording room basically has the entire similar setup. There is also one setup where we have a smart TV where you can probably write and teach students. So that part I will be showing you here. So this is the next recording setup. Here you can basically see that we have a TV over here, and for this probably we also have different setup. We have a mic, this kind of mics, and this amazing camera that we recently bought, so that it is already fixed. The mentor comes over here, does the recording, and probably goes off. So this is the setup that we have probably done, and this is for the Kids Tech Neuron, which is basically going to come very soon. And most of the tech courses also we are also planning to record in this interactive board. So here you can basically write. This is just like a smart TV over here, and you can have an amazing experience. This is entirely for your experience so that you get the most amazing content that is possible. Here you can also see that we have also kept the shelves. Probably we'll have a lot of technical books and other kind of books. Still, we are doing the interior part. We also have some recording room which has green screens. Let's take an example of this. So here you can see that green screen is actually present. So probably if any kind of recording requires a lot of animation in the back end, we have this entire setup put up for you all, right? Now let's go to the next part, which is the most amazing thing, which is called as the innovation lab. The reason we have actually created the innovation lab is to give the real world experience to the people. And apart from that, we are also doing a lot of product development. So the room that we are probably entering is the innovation lab. Here, hardly less number of people actually have the access. You can see people working over here. In this innovation lab, we'll be doing drone programming. We'll be creating a lot of hardware courses that is related to AI. So recently from some of my videos, you have seen that I've also started uploading hardware related videos. So here are some of the carbon fiber drone, which we are going to probably integrate a lot of AI modules into this. And the product development that we are doing is to bring up some use cases in industrial applications. And apart from that, we have varieties of drones. So here you can see this is another variety, this is another variety. This is a carbon fiber drone. For creating this kind of drone, you really need to do a lot of designing based on the propeller, based on the weight, so that it can carry and fly it easily. So these are two things. Now coming to the next thing is that we have probably bought everything with respect to the hardwares like Jetson Nano, which is again a developer kit. We have a Raspberry Pi. Probably one video on Raspberry Pi has already been uploaded in my YouTube video. And here also we are trying to develop some multiple applications and probably integrate, start the work with doing some automated tasks within our office, so that it will give a real world experience to the students also. Now, all these things, all this access, you will also be able to get it. You will also be able to be the part of the innovation lab by taking One Neuron. The reason why we have done that is that so that you can come and experience and work with our team and probably get experience in all this kind of hardwares, right? There is one more additional thing. This entire room is basically the innovation lab. And probably if you are also having an amazing idea which you are implementing as a startup, or probably your idea is just in the prototype stage and you basically want some kind of support from iNeuron in the form of funding plus incubation, you can definitely use our incubation facilities that is again provided in TechNeuron. Okay. Now this TechNeuron is pretty much amazing because here you not only get to participate in doing this kind of development with our team, but you also get the facilities of incubation center, where we'll be providing you office space, we'll be providing you development support, we'll be providing you everything that is required from your side, so that this will definitely be beneficial for you all. So this is the entire innovation lab. You can see how big it is, and the reason why we have created this is that to do the product development and innovations, which will also be very, very beneficial for you all. So that was the part of the innovation lab, and probably we also have started working on it. Now coming to the next thing is that in iNeuron, what we have done for our employees is that we have also provided free food facilities. So everything is provided over here so that people can focus more on the work than the other things. And definitely if you also want to work with us, come and work with the innovation lab, go ahead and take One Neuron Tech platform, and then yes, just raise a request and come over here, work with us. If you have an incubation idea, come and pitch to us. Again, you can do that from our One Neuron platform. We will just have a look onto that and provide you the approval. The very next day you can come and work with us. Tell us what all support you actually require. We'll be going ahead in development of that specific product. I hope you like this particular video. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and yes, I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you and all. Bye-bye.